Hey Richard and Tony, I'm so excited for you to see this space, and I wish you could be here in person to take a tour with me, but I just want to show you around a little bit. So it's really exciting because we have one of the only places in the United States that has a Spanish teacher that teaches Orton Gillingham, uses Orton Gillingham to teach Spanish to our dyslexic students. Her room is right here. She's here in the afternoon, so she's not here to say hi, but I just wanted to point that out. And then this other room is really, it may seem really boring, but it's exciting for us because it's our filing room. We never had one before, and it's a place for us to keep our confidential files and to keep us organized, which is wonderful. And we've never had the space to have that before. And if you come down this way, this is sort of my overflow room that I have taken over because I have 2 classes that have 4 students. And so we're sort of packed in, and I'm going to show you my room, but it's great because I can fit 4 students in here. I was doing a whiteboard presentation this morning. So anyway, there's a lot of energy contained in that room. And then a little bit further down is sort of my classroom office, which is really nice. You'll see the artwork in the window from a student who graduated 2 years ago, one of our first students. And I just have lots of space, and I have, lots of supplies, but lots of room to move around, and these just awesome windows so I can see, outside and enjoy the kids running around, and my smart board that works. I mean, everything is just fantastic. And then if you go a little bit further down, we have this great welcoming area that you all helped design, so thank you very much. And it's great because middle school students have already started taking over this area, and they'll come and hang out here, and they really feel at home. And then this room right now is being used by Melissa Kaufman, who I know I told you about. She tutors for us, she subs for the school, and she's been amazing helping me get organized and helping with administrative stuff in CrossWalk. So it's nice that she's right here next to me. And here she is working in our workroom. Hey, Melissa. Let me see if I can get her. I think she's got her headphones in. Say hi to the camera. So she's busy in there redoing our scope and sequence files, which is a huge help, and it hasn't been done in years. So it's so great, and I wish that you could be here to see it in person. Here's Sadie, Kathy's dog, who comes and stays with us every day, and the kids just love her. She's just super gentle, and they just love to come here and see her. So anyway, I know you're gonna see other teachers later on in this video, and I just want to say thank you so much. Couldn't have happened without you. Love you.
Hi, this is my classroom, Dawn Hollinsworth. I absolutely love it. I have not just one window, but 2. I love my windows. Everything in here is brand new. You see our plexiglass, so we can sit far apart from each other, as far apart as we need to, and be safe. Everything is absolutely gorgeous, and I love it.
Hey, this is my new classroom in CrossWalk, and it is amazing. I have this really nice horseshoe desk that is going to be great to work with the kids, where I can have different students around the table and be able to easily monitor what they are doing. And we have this really nice TV, which we can use as a whiteboard, or also to show videos and use in our instruction. And also, I finally have a desk, which I've never had, so that's really exciting for me. And I have a really nice view of the Carter Athletic Center and the middle school. And I can see all the classes that come out during their recess time and play. So it has been amazing. It's so nice to have all of this space for the kids, and I know they love it. So we're thrilled.
Hello, My name's Julie Barrett, and I am a tutor here in CrossWalk, and I've been here for 5 years. And I work with middle and high school students. They come over during their study hall, and I get to work with them on whatever they need help with. I'm really enjoying our new space. This is my new office, my new classroom, where I meet one-on-one with students. I'm so excited to have windows so I can see the beautiful view and see the students outside. I'm also really happy to have our new smart board, which I use for lessons. I used it yesterday and it was great. So we're really appreciative and very thankful to be here and really looking forward to a great school year.
Hi, I'm Mrs. Albright at CrossWalk, and I work with the little guys, so that's why there's lots of fun little trinkets in here. Sadie, my dog, and I love our new space. Thank you.
So I hope you like the tour of the space and seeing all the teachers again. It's the end of the first week. It's been amazing. Everyone is so excited to be back on campus, and there's lots of energy in this space. You would love it. Hope you can visit us soon.
Hi, Richard and Tony. My name is Jamie Lee, and I wanted to take a minute to introduce myself. I have been filming your video that Kit wanted to put together for you. I work in development now at North Cross, and I taught here for about 10 years. And my first year here, I taught Grayson, Kit's son, and I also tutored him between kindergarten and first grade. And so I just wanted to say hello and introduce myself, and thank you so much for all of your support. We really appreciate you.